welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. Today we're making baked beans the way I make them. So hopefully you'll like this way.
Is that different than the way other people make
I
them?
mean, a lot of people make different versions of it. You know,
I don't.
people put bell pepper. You guys are weirdos, so I can't put anything like that in there. I have to make it kind of according to my children's likes.
But you raised us, so it's not your fault.
Well, it's not my fault. I mean, you're 34. You can try.
How old are you?
I'm old.
Okay.
Big 6-0. Okay. Can we talk now? Can we get back to business here?
Okay.
I have 2 cans of just regular Van Camp's pork and beans. I have a half a cup of barbecue sauce. I use green onion, and I've made bacon, and then I sauteed the onion in the bacon grease to give the onions the bacony flavor. In here I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground
What do you got?
mustard, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, a teaspoon of ground cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then the amounts will be on the description. Okay. And then it says 8 slices of bacon, but I obviously did more than 8, and I cut them in half. So what we're going to do is we're just going to combine everything with the beans. Oops, sorry about that. And I know I'm going to add more barbecue sauce. So
You already know.
I already know. Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna put it. I sprayed the pan, the 13 by 9 pan. I sprayed it with a little bit of
What is it?
like like oil. I greased it a little bit with this.
With olive oil?
No. Grill Master vegetable oil. Okay. Look how good that looks. See the little onions in there? All the onions. See, normally other people would put bell pepper in. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce on top. And then you layer this with bacon. And then I'm going to put it in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake it for like an hour and a half until everything's hot and combined. So when we come back, it'll be the taste test. Thank you for joining Mama Debz Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.